So we're going to start by removing the grate. And afterwards, we're going to pull the heat deflector out. Then we're going to remove the charcoal canister. You're going to grab your charcoal briquettes or your lump charcoal and you're going to fill it up. I filled mine about 1/3 of the way full. Then I grabbed it and I shook it just to kind of even out the briquettes. You're going to grab your chimney and you're going to grab something to kind of keep a little bit of a fire going underneath. So I grabbed my torch, some ripped up pieces of cardboard, and I put a few more pieces of charcoal briquettes inside the chimney. Then you're going to grab your lighter, your torch, light it up, and hold it there for just a little bit. And you'll start to see a little bit of a fire going, some smoke. And you're about good to go at this point. And then we're going to remove it, turn everything off. And once your coals are nice and hot, glowing orange, you're going to dump it in here. You could probably dump it in the center. I like to dump mine in the far corner. I'm sure you can use fire starters as well. You're going to pick up your canister, place it in gently, nice and even. We're going to get our heat deflector. We're going to place that in. Then we're going to put our grate back on top. Lastly, you're going to open up your vents and let it ride.